Hello everyone, good morning. So right now I am with Sarah and Amon. Pupunta kami ngayon sa ATM. I'll be teaching them reteaching them how to do the ATM, how to use the ATM again. So yun yung gagawin namin ngayon kasi how to withdraw money from the ATM. Kasi matagal ko na silang naturuan pero nakalimutan na nila at kailangan nila ito sa mission. Dahil malapit lang yung video sa amin, mga siguro a minute or two na walking distance. So mag-withdraw kami doon kasi ang ATM namin ay video. And of course, pag video, walang charge. Pero pag nag-withdraw ka sa other account kasi may sa other ATM machine, sa lahat yata yan, ang charge is 18 pesos. But if you are using international account, bank, or ATM, I think dati kasi nasa 200 eh. I don't know kung ilan na ngayon, kung tumaas na. So, sabi ko nga kanina, I will be reteaching them again kung paano mag-withdraw kasi nga nakalimutan na nila dahil matagal na yung mga account nila. So, hopefully, they will learn easily dahil madali lang naman mag-withdraw. So after that, mamamalengke kami ngayon para alam nila yung mga basic things ng pamamalengke, yung kailangan bilhin sa palengke. Pag-nasa mission na sila. Guys, habang naglalakad kami, may mga nagsusumba. I'll show you. Nakakatawa no guys, no? Nahilig talaga sa sumba ang mga Pilipino. And right now, I think it's halos mag-8:30 na kaya marami ng tao sa daan. Kasi busy time yung mga to, going to work yung mga tao. Daming tricycle, mga busina, mahilig magbusina dito sa Pilipinas. So finally we are here, nakapila kasi sira yung isang ATM. So susunod na kami. So alright guys, we are done with the first training kung paano mag-withdraw ng pera sa ATM. So right now, pupunta kami ngayon sa Talipapa. So may small market sa likod ng Sorrento. So, tuturuan ko sila kung paano mamalengke ngayon. So guys, nandito kami ngayon nasa loob ng Sorrento. And meron kasing shortcut na daanan doon sa other side sa likod. Mas madali paglabas kasi namin doon. Yun na mismo yung Talipapa. Kompleto doon lahat ng bilihin. And sometimes it's even cheaper compared to going to the big market kasi pamasahay pa lang at maraming tao, medyo hassle kaya I decided na dito na lang to save. Number one kasi na dapat i-save yung time para mas marami kang magawa, then you are really saving a lot of time kung mas malapit yung mga bilihan. And luckily, and it's a blessing na itong Sorrento merong bilihan dyan sa likod, kompleto. May grocery, mga wet market. So kahit na small na mga parang sari-sari store, parang sa Baguio, nung nakatira kami sa Baguio. So may bilihan ng karne at isda doon sa may Bayan Park. So same din dito. At malinis yung mga bilihin dito. Yung mga nagtitinda malinis, maayos. So guys, nandito na kami sa likod ng Sorrento. So ito siya guys. So marami ng bilihan dito sa likod. So dito guys, mura yung bilihan din dito. Yan, karne. Dito guys, dito ako bumibili ng isda. Yan. Guys, dyan ako bibili ng grocery dito. Mura kasi dito. What? So we are here buying And then please get the Zonrox, the orange Zonrox. Down, you can check down, anak. Here. That one. Yeah, ito yung Zonrox na binibili ko kasi all-in-one na siya. Guys, ito. Ayan. And mas mura dito. And fine for bar soap. Bar soap. Okay, buy napkin too. Buy napkin for mom. Wait. This one. That.
This with wings?
You can check
Yes.
with
But it also says with type.
with
So
wings
here.
or without wings.
Yeah, it says with wings.
Do you like with wings or without?
With wings, I like. So it won't fall from.
Okay. All right. I think let's buy Mang Tomas Aman. You want? Okay, one Mang Tomas. And then one ketchup. The small one. Small. Do they have small one?
This one?
Okay. And buy Dato Puti. One Dato Puti. And also one vinegar. Isang vinegar. Tapos, bili tayo ng... Do they have... how much is this one? How much?
Evaporated.
Yeah,
31.
31. Okay, buy. Ay, this one. And also, this. That one. Patis. This one, is that this one? That's patis?
Yes.
Okay. Mom said sopas and spaghetti. You check if they have. No. The one with complete set. Do they have? Down. That one. Down. Sarah, down. Sweet. Yeah. Can you check the small size only if they have? How much is that? Okay. That's good. Okay, that's good. And then for the soap. Oh, how about that one? How about the other one? That one. Can you check how much is that? Okay. How much is this one? Okay, just this one. And then let's buy the sopas. 4 sopas. How about the one? The small one. Okay. And also, how about for the miswa?
That's a mixed one.
We have miswa.
The thin one? Oh, bar nuts. Is this bar nuts? Hindi naman. Polvoron naman to. Polvoron. We need this one. And honey nuts. Okay. Alright. Alright guys, we're done with our groceries today. So I was able to teach the kids how to buy some food at the groceries, right? So were you able Yes.
to learn something today?
I was
about buying?
able to learn how to budget.
Okay, right now we will buy pork and chicken and fish.
Okay, and Dad's gonna teach me how, like, what good meat.
Okay.
If it's places like this.
Yeah, so it should be early in the morning like that.
Okay.
Right? So guys, I'm teaching my kids how to buy fresh meat. So kagaya nun, so may nagtitinda ng fresh meat dito. So we'll buy after the customers mamaya pag bibili kami. And they have a good quality meat. Guys, this one we're buying here kay Kuya. That one. So you can see.
Saturday, Sunday, meron tayo dito ng baka.
Oh, okay. So they have
Fresh beef din.
Saturday, Sunday.
patay chicken breast, magkano po?
Ano po? 200 po ang kilo.
Sa isang breast lang po.
Isang
Apa. Then, this one. So, this one.
287 lang po.
Opo. I'm teaching to buy my kids vegetable. Kasi if you want cheaper, then you just buy like this. So, one like this, give it to her. Check well, of course. If there's something like this, don't buy it. So, check well. Ready-made, okay? And, yeah, give it to her. Magkano po yung tofu?
May 35, may 20, may 10.
Oh, just buy this one, the big one. Yeah. The cleaner. One. This one is better. Clean.
How do you
It's that one, right? You check the clean, more clean. I think this one. Okay. Ito pong togi. Magkano pong ganito?
25.
So 25 you want like. Do you eat like that?
Yeah, I love it. It's
Really?
my favorite.
Okay. It's fine.
That's my favorite in the Vietnamese.
All right, guys, we are done with our groceries and sa market, wet market right now. Hopefully the kids were able to learn something. Did you learn something, guys?
I learned a lot how to decisively choose your good meat, good fish, or to budget and to budget.
Yes. We were not able to buy fish right now kasi parang hindi
Yeah, there's
sariwa.
no fresh fish.
Yung mga fish ngayon, yun pa yung mga benta nila kahapon. Kaya mamaya siguro, we'll try to go back para doon. And it's good thing na I am with Amon and Sarah. Hopefully they learn something for their mission para when they go on their mission, they know how to buy their own
Groceries
groceries.
and
What-
to budget.
Yeah, number one is to budget kasi that's really the challenge of not only the missionaries but to everyone budgeting the money. Kumbaga, living within your means or sometimes living below your means, right? So that is important. Yeah, to save for the rainy season. To save yung tinatawag nila sa atin sa Ilocano gawat. So we have that, the lean season, right? We call that lean season. In life, there is like that. No? So during these months, mga last week of last week of January, February, March, yan yung mga lean season. Pero at lalo na po yung one time ng mga tagulan, lean season yan, walang harvest. Medyo mahirap. So pagdating ng September, yung mga bonus time, yan. May mga bonus na yung mga tao.
When's the mango season?
Yeah.
My favorite.
So harvesting time din ng mga fruits. Medyo gumagaan ng buhay, mga March, April, yan harvesting time kasi yan ng mga products. Kaya medyo magaan yung buhay. Mga harvesting na ng rice, no. Sometimes kasi iba-iba naman sa demographic area. Kaya iba-iba rin yung time na harvest. Depende rin sa tinatanim, no. Depende rin yung months kung anong months ka nagtanim. So right now, ito yung mga na-grocery namin.
It's
As a
also in our
backpack.
bags.
So,
And we were able to save a lot as
yeah,
well.
this is really fun time to learn. So, okay guys, that's it for today's
Thanks for
learning.
watching.
Yeah, so please, you can follow us in all the social media platforms if you like this video.
And if you're
And-
also preparing on a mission, also watch this so we can learn together.
Yes, okay. So, see you. Bye.
See ya, bye.
We are your